Hi guys, and welcome to educational live trade video for the day, and also I'll be talking about the top stock market news for the day what we have. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this, and this video will be crisp and clear. Okay, so and please note this video is only for educational purpose. So what are all the important stock market news and updates I have? I'll be focusing only on that, and this will help you to know the current stock market update. So watch the video till the end, and before that let's see the trade what I did today. So guys, welcome to educational live trade video for the day. So right now I'm short selling Sun Pharma in the market level now around 1625. Okay, so I just sold now. So let's see how the stock will perform today, and I'm planning to keep the target up to 4 or 5 points. Somewhere around 1621 or 1620, I'll just plan to take my exit. Okay, and yes, the market is up today. So the market has opened in a bullish way today, but not all the stocks are bullish. So that's why I selected Sun Pharma, and Sun Pharma couldn't go up and couldn't get a lot of buyers here. So that's the reason why I've gone short selling. So let's see how the stock will perform, and yes, it can take a somewhere support around 1620 and try to go up as well is what the view is. But anyway, let's see how the stock will perform, and I'll be showing you where I take the exit and everything. And please note, the profit what you do will depend on the capital what you invest. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators. So this trade is taken based on my study and the strategy. So I'll just quickly book my 4 to 5 points target, and we'll see how the stock will perform today. So yes, the stock is getting selling pressure here is what my view is. So I'll update you where I take the exit and everything. And also, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, you will be getting live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. With my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a profitable trader. You can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me to be a consistent profitable trader. Okay. So guys, yes, this is the end of the day chart of Sun Pharma, and as you guys can see here, this stock has made a low of 1618.60 almost, and I have taken my exit by almost booking like nearly 5 points of target, and this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Sun Pharma. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me to be a consistent profitable trader from today. So guys, by being said that, now let me talk about the top news what I have. Okay, so first thing is from Nifty IT, Tata Motors and the Hotels Group. Okay, so I do have a news from hotel groups which is coming up. So now first let's talk about Tata Motors. So if you guys see the Tata Motors stock in 1 day time frame, the stock has recently touched a high of 1065, and from there it has touched down until 922, and now it has taken a support, and currently it has gone till 994. Okay, yes, the stock is at a support level. It has taken a support level and it is now trying to go up. So whatever the stock I'm telling you right now is only for educational purpose, guys. I'm not asking you to trade or invest in the stocks. So I'm just going to tell you what are the news and information what I have right now. Okay, so the first news I'll be telling you about Tata Motors. So Tata Motors total domestic sales rise to 90,822 units in March. Total commercial vehicle dispatches in the domestic market last month stood at 40,712 units, down 10% as against 45,307 units in March 2023. Okay, so the total domestic sales have been rise to 19,822, but only in the last month the sales have been down, but the overall sales from Tata Motors has been up is what this article tells about. So all this article link will be given in the description below of this video if you want to research more on this topic. So Tata Motors has a positive news and a positive sales is what we can see. Okay, and the next news is for Nifty IT stocks, that is Infosys, TCS and all these stocks. Okay, so this is about IT stocks. Q4 results preview. So we are about to receive the Q4 results on Nifty IT stocks. So IT sector likely to report muted revenue growth with a stable margins and all eyes on financial year 25 guidance. So IT stocks are not expected to report an huge growth here on Q4 result is what this article says about. Okay, so this article link also will be given in the description below if you want to check out and read more about this. So the Q4 result is not yet out. They're about to come in this month itself. Like some stock are coming on April 12th and like that. So I'll make a separate video with the dates. Okay, so as of now there are the results of Q4 is not yet out. Okay, but this is only the preview what the investors are getting about. That is, IT sector is likely to report muted revenue growth, like not much of a growth what they're expecting. It will be stable. Okay, stable margin. It will be normal kind of movement. Okay, so that's the news what we have from the Nifty IT sector, and you can see Nifty IT indices chart, it's almost down. Okay, so it has touched like 38,552 and right now it's trading around 35,089, so almost 3,000 points down here. Okay, and next we have a news from hotel stock. Okay, hotels to see revenue growth of 9 to 11%, a third straight year of growth. Okay, so from last 3 years the hotel sector has been continuously on growth. Indian Hotel, EIS Limited, Lemon Tree Hotel, Chalet Hotel share price have risen 6 to 189.5% in last 1 year, 69% to 189% in last 1 year, as the same has been led by rising occupancy and better average room rate. CareEdge experts hotels to see 9 to 11% revenue growth in financial year 25, a 3-year straight growth. Okay, so if you see, these are the hotel stock what the article is talking about. So you can see today also a lot of the hotel stock has gone up. So you can see EI Hotel has gone up by 5%, Lemon Tree Hotel is gone up by 5.36%, Chalet Hotel is gone by 2% up. So first is Indian Hotel stock. So you can see here this stock is also, it's trading on its highest point, and EI Hotel also is trading on its highest point. The only growth which we are expecting is from Lemon Tree Hotel. It's not trading on its highest point. The highest point is around 147, it's down by 10 points, so currently trading around 137. And Chalet, so this also is trading on its highest point, which is around 958, so now it's down by almost 58 points, I can tell. So all these hotel stocks are having a positive news that they have a straight growth from the last 3 years. So guys, these are the important news what I had to share from for today. So I hope you guys like this video. Do give a like for this video and do subscribe to my channel for daily updates like this.